At sunset, some plants do something strangely familiar. Their leaves fold downward. Their petals close. A whole plant can look as if it is tucking itself into bed. So do plants sleep? The short answer is, not like animals. A sleeping cat has a brain, nerves, changing brain activity, and maybe dreams. A plant has none of that. It does not close its leaves because it feels tired. But the longer answer is much more interesting. Some plants really do change their posture at night. This movement is called anagtanasty. The word basically means night movement. You can see it in many legumes, in sensitive plants, and in flowers that open and close on a daily schedule. Imagine a leaf as a tiny umbrella. During the day, it spreads out to catch light. At night, some species fold the umbrella down. That is the analogy. The accurate version is this. Nagtanasty is a plant movement linked to circadian rhythms and environmental cues such as light and temperature. But how can a plant move without muscles? Zoom into the base of a moving leaf. In many plants, there is a small hinge-like structure called a pulvinus. Inside it are cells that can gain or lose water. When water pressure changes on one side of the hinge, the leaf bends. Picture two tiny water balloons on opposite sides of a door hinge. If one balloon swells and the other shrinks, the hinge moves. The accurate version, ions such as potassium move in and out of specialized motor cells. Water follows those ions. As water shifts, cell pressure changes. That pressure change bends the leaf. So the leaf is not sleepy, it is hydraulic. Now zoom out from one leaf to the whole plant. Plants have internal clocks. These clocks are not ticking gears like in a watch, but networks of genes and proteins that rise and fall in a roughly 24-hour rhythm. Light helps reset the clock each day, like sunrise setting the time on a living alarm clock. That clock can control leaf movement, growth, flowering time, fragrance release, stomatal behavior, and even defense chemistry. So when night comes, a plant is not shutting down, it is changing shifts. During the day, green leaves use sunlight to power photosynthesis. At night, without light, photosynthesis cannot run in the same way. But the plant is still alive and busy. It respires. It uses sugars made during the day. It moves resources. It repairs. It grows. It adjusts water use. In some plants, tiny pores called stomata close more at night to reduce water loss. In desert-adapted cam plants, the schedule can flip. Stomata open at night to take in carbon dioxide when the air is cooler and drier, then close during the day to save water. So night is not plant sleep, it is plant night work. But why fold leaves at all? Here is where scientists are careful. There may not be one answer for every plant. Some hypotheses suggest folded leaves may reduce heat loss, protect pollen, reduce water loss, or make leaf-eating insects more exposed to predators. In some flowers, closing at night may help protect pollen when daytime pollinators are inactive. In other plants, night-opening flowers are doing the opposite. They open for moths or bats.
So, plant sleep is not one behavior. It is a family of nighttime strategies